Hello friends and welcome back to Qbasic programming tutorial. Today's our task is to write a program to input 10 numbers into an array and print its even values. We will declare a variable of 10 blocks in which we will take input from the user 10 values, 10 different values, and we will filter out the even values and print it on the screen. Okay. So first we will declare an array of name A of 10 blocks. Here we can define an array with two different types. Okay, if we define this array in this way, that is A of 9, then the default indexing is started from 0 to 9, that is 10 blocks of array. Okay, but if you want to start the indexing from 1, we can also write it is as 1 to 10, as then the indexing of this array will get started from 1. 0 will not work over here. It will also array of 10 block, and if we define it as like this, it is also a array of 10 block, but its indexing start from 0. So I want to start indexing from 0, so I will declare this as I10 here. We need a loop to take input from the user, so I will use counter as I, and first we print a message for the user. Enter 10 numbers. Okay, and after that we will run a loop. Here the indexing start from 0, so I start the value of I from 0 to 9, and I will take input blank message A of I. Okay, let me explain what will happen when this line run. Okay, when the first line, that is declaration of an array, is run, then what will happen? Inside the memory, a block of an array of 10 blocks, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, will be created inside memory. Okay, and the default indexing value will start from 0. Okay, after that, when the second line is get executed, then a variable I is also formed into a memory whose value is default 0. But after this, when this line executed, a message will printed out on the console window, enter 10 numbers, and after this the loop for the input get executed. At the initially we put the value of I is equal to 0, and loop runs about 10 times. Okay, 0 to 9. Then what will happen if value of I is equal to 0? Initially the value of I is equal to 0, then this line will run. Condition is true, that means I is equal to 0. If AI, that means I value is 0. It's all about the first index AI. Okay, 0, then it will take input inside the first block of array. So if user entered 2, then 2 is stored inside the first block of array. Okay, after this the value of I become 1. Okay, 1. Then what will happen? The input take value from the user and store it into second block of array. That means A of 1, A of I is equal to 1. Okay, then if user input again 2, then 2 will get stored in second. Similarly, the value of I is increasing every time, and the indexing value of block is changed every time, and value will get stored in every block of array till the value of I becomes 9. Okay, when I become 9 and increase it at the last loop, it will become 10, and over here if I is equal to 10, then this condition get false. Okay, because we run the loop till 9 only, so the 10 values inputted by the user are get stored in this array. After that, we have to check out the even values inside the array. So I will check the even values of array. For this, similarly, we run a loop from I is equal to 0 to 9 so that we can access each block of an array, and we will check if I, here I represent the index number of each block, that is 0 to 9, mode 2. What is the function of mode keyword here? Mode always return the remainder, that is whatever the value of I contained when it is divided by 2, it returns its remainder. For example, let me show you. If you use mode between this number, that is example 4 mode 2, then the remainder becomes 0 because 4 is completely divisible by 2. And if you divide 3 by 2, then it will return remainder 1, which is not completely divided. Okay, remainder become 1. We have to check even values, so we will take a condition here, 2 is equal to 0. Then what we have to do, we have to do print the value of AI, that is even value. Before printing the even value, I also want to print a message for the user. Okay, now our code is completed for this. I'm going to run this program, see what's happened. I'm going to input the same number wherever I written over here, 22456485339 8539. Okay, you can see here the all even values are get filtered and printed over here. It's 2, 2, 4, 6, 4, 8 are the even values in this array, and the odd values get lefted. So fine, it's worked pretty good. I hope you will understand the logic which I have implemented over here, and if you get any problem, please write in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.